Hey everyone, I'm Jason Catroon. We are Vocal Lab Collective.
Oh my. Wow. That's a trip, isn't it?
Well, it's trippy.
Y'all, Jason made the funniest joke right before we started filming.
I sure did.
You don't need to repeat it, but
I'm not
it was
going to repeat
very
it.
funny.
I got jokes, people.
You have jokes.
I'm not really the funniest person. I'm not a
No,
comedian.
he's not.
But
you are.
I
You
can
make
drop
little,
some one-liners.
Not even like one-liners. Just like
It's timing. I have good timing.
you have very good time. If you
I
guys
never-
have ever seen him perform on stage,
As you should.
y'all, his timing is perfect, and you read your audience very well.
gosh.
You read your people very well.
You just helped me figure myself out, Katie.
I'm good at that.
I've my entire life I have said I'm not a funny person, but on stage I'm really funny. But it's not about the comedy, it's about my timing.
Totally.
And my ability to read the audience. Oh
Yeah.
my God, you're such a great vocal coach, Katie.
I got
wow.
you. Well, you're such a great performer and artist and human.
Well, thank you.
There you go.
What do I owe you?
That'll be about $275.
Dang it. Hey,
right
we're
off.
so glad that you joined us.
Subscribe to this channel.
Yeah, hit the buttons, all of
Watch
them.
Best Friends, drink wine, and
Yeah.
watch amazing singers all over the world.
Yeah, share with your friends. Facebook, YouTube,
Instagram.
TikTok, all the things.
TikTok.
Also, we're here for you if you need a voice lesson.
Yeah.
Or if you want Katie to help figure you out
Hey.
in a split second and tell you why you're so
I'm really
wonderful.
good at that.
She can do that.
No
so,
charge.
well, no,
Charge.
there'll be a charge.
There'll be a charge.
There'll be a charge.
Chocolate and wine.
Yes, exactly. Hey, what are we
Subscribing.
doing today? Where are we going?
We are going to Olivia Rodrigo.
Oh,
Rodriguez. Rodrigo.
Yes, Rodrigo.
Who we have not reacted to in ages.
Yeah, we did driver's license when it first came out, right?
Yes, and then I did a tip on Good For You. I did a tip on that, on how to sing those high notes.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Yeah,
that's
back
right.
in the day.
Yeah.
We'll bring that back up.
Yeah. But here we are with a new one, Vampire.
Yeah.
I have no
She's
clue.
very
I know
talented.
nothing about this.
Nothing.
It's pretty new, right?
Let's get into the van. Whoa,
Hey, here we go.
that was a lot in the face.
Well, you didn't keep up. I'm nervous. Oh, gosh, Katie. You know I'm scary. That's some great lipstick.
I know. I wish mine would say on like that.
Oh, I know that song.
I hate to give the satisfaction asking how you're doing now. How's the castle built of people you pretend to care about? Just what you wanted.
Wow.
Look at you, cool guy, you got it. I see the parties and diamonds. Sometimes when I close my eyes, 6 months of torture you sold to some forbidden paradise. I loved you truly. You gotta laugh at the stupidity, 'cause I've made some real big mistakes, but you make the worst.
It's a great track.
I should have known it was strange. You only come out at night. I used to think I was smart, but you made me look so naive. The way you sold me for parts, you sunk your teeth into me. Bloodsucker, fame, leave me dry like
Can we put that on
a
YouTube?
vampire.
Whoa. What just happened?
Every girl I ever talked to told me you were bad, bad news. You called them crazy. God, I hate the way I call them crazy too. You're so convincing. How do you lie without flinching? Ooh, mesmerizing, paralyzing, fucked up little thrill. Can't figure out just how you do it, and God knows I never will. And for me, it
It is interesting. Wonder why they had her do that. It's downtown LA. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was high intense.
It was real intense. Real intense.
Yeah.
Listen, the track was hot.
So
Her
insane.
vocal is great.
I mean, how
There-
old is she?
She's early 20s.
I mean,
think.
she's
Well,
for
you know,
someone to know her vocals and master them in a
That
great
well.
way.
not only that, she also knows how to just. I mean, she went from the beginning of the song to having such a stylized, very articulated expression of the lyric.
Yeah.
Right. To a full on
Explosive.
just singing in a big explosive way. Right. That's really cool. We don't see that very often.
We don't see that much.
Usually someone starts very stylized, like they'll stay with it, right?
Yeah.
Or they just don't have it. So she did both. That's really cool, number one. Number two, as we mention often on this channel, we have frustration with the American music market because outside of like Carrie Underwood, Kelly Clarkson, Pink, a few people, we don't get big vocals a lot, especially with young people.
Yeah.
And she's just laying it out there.
She is.
That was a big vocal.
Yeah,
It was
huge
a really big vocal.
Huge vocal. Very
Yeah.
balanced. Very the tone is so crisp and
So good.
gorgeous. And she's someone who, with Olivia, she doesn't yell. You know, she really does such a great job of leaning into the tone. Like instead of a she's going and getting more of that.
Yeah, it's true.
The tone is so precise and so forward.
And just really controlled and
Very
finessed,
controlled.
right?
Very controlled.
Yeah. I mean, I thought it was great. I'm a big believer. I don't really like the F word in songs, I'll be honest, and especially in mainstream pop music. I don't
see
love
that.
it.
I think there's
Everyone
there's
uses
a
it
place
today.
and time for everything, right?
Yeah.
So I think there's, especially in a younger generation, everyone's crying out to be
No, totally. I get it.
heard. So
I'm
I
just
hear it
saying
in this
personally.
song.
I get it. I'm just saying personally, I don't like the F word or the GD.
Yeah.
I don't love it
I'm
in
with
songs.
the GD.
But I'm a purist in music, and
Totally.
But that's fine. I mean, it's
But
great.
either way,
I'm just saying
even
me
without,
personally.
say those words weren't even there, she allowed the emotion to still come through. So for you singers who
true.
are pursuing this pop sound, maybe like a country pop sound, maybe a rock pop, whatever it may be for you.
Or pop rocks.
Yeah, or pop.
Remember those?
Pop, yes, I do.
Do y'all know what pop rocks are?
Oh my
It's this
gosh.
candy you put in your mouth and it pops. And
Yeah,
it's like
there's
they look like
crazy
little
things
rocks.
you can do with it.
And it.
But
We need more of these gherkins.
oh my gosh. If you are going after this sound, in order to get the emotion across, you don't always need the cuss words. You have to have the emotion. So if you wrote a song that you actually truly feel and relate with,
Yeah.
make it relatable for your audience, because then
True.
you won't necessarily need those words.
Yeah.
Mind you, having the explicit tag on Spotify on your single helps to
Yeah, for sure.
boost that stuff. But
Yeah.
that's another conversation for later for a tip. So
Yeah.
just the tip today.
Just the tip.
Just the tip.
And we know with your tips, you like the pop rocks. So that's all we're saying. Hey, until next time, this video has digressed so much.
So much, but I think you took it there. But I have 3 kids, so
No,
it's okay.
I didn't take it there. You did. And I was concerned about the curse words, and here we are. Hey,
You're like, I'm a purist.
I know,
Pop
but
rocks, you guys.
hey, until next time, I'm Jason Catrone.
I'm Katie Salad.
and we are both the Lab
Collective.